Okay, I'd now like to talk about fit. So CleanSpace is obviously a very different design. We don't have the traditional system where we have a variety of different head tops that are used. The reason for that is we don't need head tops. Our product will match and fit with all PAPR products that you're liable to come across in the workplace. It's a very simple system. We have a half mask. Now traditionally half masks would have a frame, we would have an elastic harness with a cradle, and that part of the half mask system is designed to get fit. Now we achieve fit with CleanSpace in three ways. You'll notice that I have a neck pad fitted to the device. Now this is a thin neck pad. We also have available a thick neck pad, and what we're doing here is we're playing with the distance between the motor unit and the harness. I would have to say that probably 90% of people using CleanSpace are using a thin neck pad. The thick neck pad though is available for smaller head shapes, head sizes. On the side we have adjustment on both sides of the air bellows, and we also have three size masks. We have the large, we have the medium, which is I have fitted to the CleanSpace at the moment, and we have the small. Let me just show you the difference between, to give you a feel, between the large mask and the small mask. And you can see obviously the face size is significantly different, but also the larger the face piece, the longer the side arms. Okay, so it's a combination of neck pad, adjustment on the side, and the correctly sized mask, which enables us to get a nice comfortable fit. The other thing which you can see on CleanSpace that I'm holding here is the harness. Now we recommend that you do use the harness, and it's the fourth component, if you like, to fitting CleanSpace.